In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Prius key fob to change the internal battery at home. Don't worry, this is a very easy process. You will just need a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2016 batteries. If you'd like to get one of those batteries online, I will leave a link down in the description to get that battery on Amazon for just a couple of bucks, and that'll be the exact battery that you need for this particular device. Now, the first step is just looking up on the top. You can see there's a little indentation in the plastic. We're going to use our flathead screwdriver, insert it into that area, and just twist the screwdriver. Give it a turn, kind of like turning a key, and this thing will crack right open. So you can set this to the side, and we can just remove the battery from here. If you just push on the bottom of the battery, it will pop right out. It will become loose. So you can see right now it's sitting in there just as it should, all the way in there. And if I'm just pushing with my thumbnail on the bottom, it comes right out. Once again, we are using a CR2016 battery, so make sure that is what you're using. And if you don't know where to get that, check the link down in the description. And when you put the battery, the new battery in there, make sure the positive side goes face up. So just slide and click the battery back in there. Make sure it's sitting securely in there. And the plus side should be facing up, just like that. All we got to do now is click the two halves of the device back together, and we are finished and ready to go. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section. And remember, if you ever need to change another battery in any of your key fobs, we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every make or model, so you can always go and check those out, or visit us directly at fobbattery.com.